Mike and Jaine Puzo, married. I've been in residential remodeling most of my career. We have done some flips in the past from some previous education and trying to get that going. We've never done it full time. We are now transitioning for me to do this full time. My wife will keep working, but will be heavily involved in the business. So we were hoping with this event to kind of get some re-education, some new information. Things have obviously changed over the years. We felt this would be a great jumpstart, having already experienced some of John's events and having been past member at NJRSN, we felt this would be a very good thing to attend.
You know, we did some flips pre-COVID, got a little freaked out during COVID, so we didn't do any, and then life took over, we got busy, and now just looking to get back into it full time. And you know, it's a little nerve-wracking getting back into it, but John just gave us the confidence that we needed to take our business forward.
It's almost invaluable what his presentations include. It's truly his experience. It's specific, it's local, it's information that we as local investors can apply immediately to the business that we're trying to grow.
Yeah, there's nothing about John that's salesy. He is looking to share his knowledge, which is very broad, and he is happy to see you succeed. He is genuinely trying to help you build your business and to succeed the way he has, and he's not holding anything back. He's giving us everything that he has.
He is genuine top to bottom. He truly wants others to succeed as he has. He wants to share his knowledge so that others can build wealth and have the types of experience that he has. So yeah, there's nothing fake or used car salesman about him. I mean, it's all genuine. It's all 100% out of wanting to help others. I think it can make a huge difference in achieving a full-time real estate investing business that in a now shorter period of time, because of this knowledge and because of future interaction with John, we'll be able to scale the business that much quicker. I'd much rather learn from his experience than from my mistakes, and so this will shorten that window of scaling the business and hitting our goals. For instance, we'd love to be able to do 5, 6, 7 flips in this upcoming year, and that might have been a little bit harder to achieve without an event like this and without some future interaction with John.
I think anyone who's even slightly interested up through people who have been doing it, because John's knowledge is so broad and it's so way beyond just flipping a single family home. He knows so much about all the ins and outs and all the forms and all the tax stuff and all the business aspects of this that so many people would overlook and maybe get themselves in trouble. John has this down to a T, so his expertise will help you not only to succeed, but to protect yourself in the future.
100% you got to show up. If you're even remotely motivated and entrepreneurial minded, clearly real estate has been proven over many generations to be an industry to be in, and you should come. Any event that has John included, you should attend. And if it's something like this, a 2-day educational event, you really just don't have a choice. You should be here.